Think of crypto prices like a rubber band. The further it stretches in one direction, the more likely it is to snap back. The RSI, or Relative Strength Index, helps traders measure how stretched the market is. Welcome to BingX, Crypto Trading 101. In this episode, you'll learn what RSI is, how to read it, and how to use it in your trading strategy. Let's get started. What is the RSI indicator? RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and strength of a price movement. Originally developed by J. Wells Wilder, it helps traders identify when an asset may be overbought or oversold. By default, the RSI analyzes the last 14 candles on your selected time frame. It then plots that data on a scale from 0 to 100. How to read the RSI. Here's how to make sense of the data. There are 3 key levels to watch: 30, 70, and 50. When the RSI drops below 30, the asset is considered oversold. Selling pressure is weakening and a bounce could be on the way. When the RSI is above 70, it means the asset is overbought. This suggests that buying pressure is exhausted, signaling a potential pullback. And 50? That's the dividing line between bulls and bears. Cross above it and momentum turns bullish. Drop below it and bearish momentum takes control. Now that you know how to read the RSI, let's look at 3 practical setups traders actually use in crypto markets: overbought and oversold zones. The most common way to spot turning points is by identifying when the market is overbought or oversold. In this BTC/USDT chart, RSI drops below 30 while BTC falls to around $50,000. This is a clear oversold signal, which is followed by a bullish reversal. Later, RSI rises above 70 and BTC hits an overbought zone near $100,000. Classic overbought territory, and shortly after, price begins to pull back. RSI swing rejection pattern. Traders don't just look for RSI touching 30 or 70. What matters more is how price reacts around those levels. The swing rejection pattern happens when RSI enters an extreme zone but fails to stay there, signaling a shift in momentum. In this example, RSI enters the oversold zone, then quickly bounces back above 30 and stays there. Price follows, rising to over $98,000 in the weeks that follow. In this bearish setup, RSI pushes above 70, then drops back below. It tries to recover but fails to reclaim 70. That rejection signals weakening momentum and BTC falls from $109,000 to $76,000. RSI divergence. Divergence happens when the RSI and the price move in opposite directions. That gap is a sign that the momentum is weakening and the current move may be losing strength. Bullish divergence occurs when the price makes a lower low but the RSI makes a higher low. This suggests that the selling pressure is fading. Bearish divergence is the opposite. Price makes a higher high but the RSI makes a lower high. This indicates that buying pressure is fading. Combining RSI with other technical indicators. RSI is powerful, but pairing it with other indicators adds confirmation and reduces false signals. Common combinations include MACD for momentum, moving averages for trend direction, and trend lines for support and resistance levels to frame breakouts. Here's an example of a high confidence buy setup. RSI crosses above 50, confirming renewed bullish momentum. At the same time, the MACD histogram flips positive, signaling a bullish crossover. Finally, price bounces off key support near $77,000 before rallying above $100,000. This is a textbook trend continuation. By waiting for all 3 signals to align, you can enter with more confidence and avoid short-term noise. RSI mistakes to avoid. The RSI is a powerful tool, but it isn't perfect. The biggest mistake is assuming that overbought means the price has to drop immediately. In a strong bull market, RSI can stay overbought for weeks while price continues to climb. If you sell just before the line hits 70, you might exit your winning trades way too early. The same happens in a bear market where RSI can stay oversold while price keeps sliding. The key is context. Never use RSI in a vacuum. Always pair it with the overall trend, support and resistance levels, or higher time frame confirmations. This helps you filter out false signals and stay on the right side of the market. The RSI is one of the most versatile tools in crypto. It helps you spot momentum shifts, identify market exhaustion, and manage your risk more effectively. Remember, the RSI doesn't predict the future. It measures the strength of the current trend. Are you ready to put this into practice? Open your charts on BingX and add the RSI indicator and start testing these strategies. If you find this guide helpful, subscribe for more trading tutorials. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn next, and we'll see you in the next one.